So in football, they say a win is a win is a win is a win. And no matter how you twist and turn and spin, a win is always a win. But you have win and you have win. And that Curacao win was a win, but it was not a win. But seriously though, we beat Curacao in the first round of the Gold Cup. But outside of scoring 2 brilliant individual goals and getting the 3 valuable points, me no like how Jamaica play. The pieces of the puzzle still not coming together. Between that defensive back 4 or 5 and the strikers, there is nothing but one big blur of confusion as Jamaica continues to try to play football with a dysfunctional midfield. We're picking ball handlers who cannot handle the ball. We're picking ball winners who cannot win the ball. And we're picking creative midfielders who are not creative. And I want to tell you, looking at how mismatched the pieces are in that midfield, even if they play together for another 4 years, it not get no better because there are just too many square pegs being fit into triangular holes. And one more thing, them same football, when your goalkeeper is your man of the match, that means you don't play good and you're lucky. But again, we're going to close the way we begin by saying a win is a win is a win is a win. And that Curacao win is a starting win. So you can come with your rubbish and your bin. A win is still a win. And I eat to make we laugh. And then